The Port of Rijeka Authority is a non-profit institution established to manage, develop and use the area of the biggest port in the Republic of Croatia. It actively participates in many European Union projects.
The automation of data gathering and the integration of software at Škrljevo Inland Terminal and gate ramps at AGCT Gate Container Terminal simplifies the security checks and speeds up the flow of trucks throughout the terminals of Lučka Rijeka.
With its partners, it is involved in the Mediterranean Network for Custom Procedures and Simplification of Clearance in Port, called MEDNET project, which is accepted by the MED program and co-financed by the European Regional Development Fund. The goal of the Port of Rijeka Authority is to contribute to the establishment of the ideal virtual port that will encourage all the partners to share the best practices and benefit from the results in the area of port and customs procedures, as well as simplification of customs clearance for vessels and cargo. With a contribution in the pilot project, the system of control and surveillance of the entrance and exit to and from the Port of Rijeka area has been developed. This applies to the container terminal Brajdica, and it must be stated that its implementation has already brought huge improvement in operations, particularly in removal of administration bottlenecks. This is predicted to be the result, as well as the promotion of introduction of information systems into ports and possible introduction of these systems into other intermodal junctions. By the means of supporting the activation of the service, such as Port Operations Observatory in the Mediterranean, a critical mass of know-how will be fostered to the great extent. Simplifying and harmonizing port and customs procedures is also one of the priority goals for the entire port community. The specific project objectives will enhance mutual understanding of these procedures. It will enable the market to pick up and proliferate the results, as well as develop key targets to identify, organize and promote the MEDNET results. Most important objectives are achieved by several activities of the pilot project. Automation of data gathering, as well as input and record keeping of entries to custom-free zone at the Port of Rijeka, in accordance with customs, police and border inspection post regulations. Automation of vehicles and persons entries to the Port of Rijeka at the AGCT Gate Container Terminal. Verification and tracking of free zone persons entries and exits for border police needs. Simplification of procedures of multiple entries to the Port of Rijeka free zones. Simplified security staff procedure of drivers' verification at point of entry and exit. And the integration of current systems to the level needed for the proposed process to function.
This project will enable tracing of exact time of entering or exiting terminal, tracing multiple visits and behavior, as well as simplified verification of the drivers.